My name is Mac, proud owner of Cherry Bomb, and today we're on our way to New York with Explore Overland for the winter forest run. So we've got a couple things we need to do before we hit the road. We need to just throw our ice in the cooler. We just got to take a couple other things out to the car. I loaded a lot of stuff last night. But yeah, let's load up and hit the road. Alright, we are in the truck, got it de-iced for the most part, so we'll be good enough to start driving and getting on the road. Alright, meeting up with the homies. This is Ryan's TRD Pro, and this is Jason's Jeep. They're both inside getting food right now. We are obviously headed out. We've got all the food and supplies that they need, so we're ready to roll. We are in Maryland. We're about 10 miles away from Thermont, if you know where that's at. But yeah, we're just cruising along and trying to get out and play in this white powder. Currently in McDonald's, got a Sprite, getting some food. We're gonna grab some gas and then power through the rest of the way.
Find old Barcelona Lane and then coming from that side.
Bye, honey. We're in Oxford, New York, which is about 10 minutes from McDonough. We just got gas. Yeah, now we're gonna head up and start hitting some trails, I guess. Current situation, there's lots of snow. So I'm designating myself media man, so Cherry Bomb won't get much action. We're back in Oxford getting gas for him, and then we're gonna head back up to the site and I'll show you kind of what we're going. We're getting gas here, and then Ryan and Jason are getting the tent set up. It's going down. Okay, welcome to, where are we? What's this place called? BHM?
Somewhere in the middle of New York.
This is base camp. The Taj Mahal set up. He's getting his tent set up. We're getting our awning here, and it's gonna be a great grand old time. It's currently not snowing, which is good, but it's getting a little bit chilly. It's currently about 1 a.m. heading to bed. I'm nice and warm, a lot warmer than I thought, especially without my heater, so good night. Good morning. Welcome to New York. It's currently snowing. Look at this place.
Off now into smaller groups. What's our total driver count right now? Can I just get a hand?
All right, Kyle is here from Offroad Consulting, and he's going to give us a class about like recovery and winching and all that kind of stuff. So let's go see what we can learn.
This is where, this is where understanding your winch. I just don't like the human pulling on that chair. Okay, back up.
All right, great class. Learned lots. We're back over here by the truck. We're trying to build a small fire of our own, and we're just gonna have lunch. And yeah, the sun's coming out, which is nice. Very bright, but it feels good. A little bit better than it did this morning. What you cooking?
Making wieners. Chicken sausage. Yes, hi. Make me.
Mmm, yummy.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're on the move. Going to get some cell service. Oh yes, off-roading.
Oh, there's the room.
What's all, dude? We're out here. It is snowing good. The trucks are on the trail. I am media man. Taking lots of sick pics, getting some sick videos. Let's do it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you won. Nice, fair and square.
How about this? I'm so nice, I'll split it with you.
Wow. Oh, wow.
This is how big my little tiny heart is.
Crispy.
Wait, hold on, which one's bigger?
It's super frozen.
Thank you so much.
I gave him the bigger one.
Oh, of course. We're currently just kind of gonna start cooking dinner. Probably gonna sleep in my truck tonight. Gonna be colder tonight than it was yesterday. So I might just chill in the truck. So, I'll keep y'all updated. Shout out to Ryan for cooking this delicious meal. We got steak, mushrooms, and spinach.
740222.
Ooh!
That's a good number, 222.
Alright guys, we're going on a night run. Let's pray we don't hit a tree. Yeah. Overall successful night run. People got stuck, but we got them out pretty quick. So now just back to hanging around the campfire. It is day 3. We are all waking up and getting some breakfast. We'll get ready for the day. All right, Ryan, do you want to tell the fine people of the internet what you're doing?
Trying to find my valve stem so I can air my tire up and hopefully not melt it or destroy my tire.
Alright, the new plan of the day, we would rather go somewhere warm for breakfast. So we're gonna pack up camp here, packing up, and we'll go find somewhere nice and cozy. We're now trying to rescue Cherry Bomb from the depths of the snow. We are making progress. Cherry Bomb is free. We are headed back to Oxford to get some food. Bye! Alright, so as you saw, Jake is gone. He's in Connecticut, so he's not going where we're headed. So now it's just Ryan and I, and then Jason left this morning. So we're traveling back, and we're pretty close to the Pennsylvania border already. Alright, so we just got word that Jake on the way home got pulled over and got a warning because his license plate was covered up with muck and mud. But thankfully he got a warning and not a ticket, so. Alright guys, we are home, safe and sound. Jake got home, Jason got home, Ryan got home, and I just got home. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. God bless, and we'll see you guys next time.
My precious.